Well, I can't believe I'm saying it, but TwitchCon is here. We are all pretty much packed up, minus Danny DeVito and Nala, who are both not attending. Wow, this will be the only video of me, I guess, post-packing and at the start of this thing because it is go time. We're already late to the airport. Why don't we make our way out, huh? Let's do this. I will be having a little travel buddy this time. Russell McFrench will be joining for the trip. Desk, man, we're doing work. So this TV just turned on by itself. They got my name on the screen. What a day, Russell. God, I can't believe we're at TwitchCon! All right, we are on the night, baby. And we're gonna go find some tacos. Look at that building. Oh my God, it's TwitchCon. I got no idea where any of the stuff is. I haven't put together a schedule yet. Yeah, what are you looking at, huh? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Well, boys. I found the tacos.
Yo, dude, look at these things.
Oh, baby, we got the steak sopes.
It's so good, dude. Oh my God. How sick is this? Rise and shine, butter biscuits. It is Thursday. I slept way more than I should have, but it felt good, let me tell you. Badge pickup is in less than an hour, so I think I'll go to that. Then, I don't know, maybe I'll explore some more. But the most important thing that we got going on today is we have someone, a special guest, who you saw from yesterday's segment, who's going to be keeping guard here at the hotel over all my stuff. I'm putting Russell McFrench to work. Hi, Russell. You keep an eye on my Switch and all my goodies that I got in here, okay? Yeah, of course, All right. Let's head out, boys. I am so glad I got here a day early, but there's gonna be a lot of homies coming today, specifically. Can't wait to welcome them all. Okay, so I was not allowed to record inside of the convention center, least of all the partner shop, the early access to the loot cave, like the merch store. But dang, it looks so good in there. They're still setting up. Not very crowded inside yet, but dang, come tomorrow, it's gonna be insanity. The organizing staff are top tier as well. So polite, so professional. Oh yeah, by the way, I put cinema roll on my badge. My boy! Mwah. Here's what I got. Spent way too much money, but come on. If you're not spending way too much money on merch at a con, are you really at a con? We got this bad boy. Check it. It is the LED glitch wall light. Ooh, pretty. Socks. This cute glitch pillow. It's very soft. It's squishy. A t-shirt. I think this is a hoodie I got. That's another hoodie I got. Another shirt. And yet another shirt, baby. So, it turns out that I, your boy, have been invited to join some homies. So we're gonna go find them. As cool as it is that there's so many cool famous people that I love watching and look up to here, I'm actually most excited to see my friends. This is gonna be crazy.
So close. You did great.
I don't wanna bowl anymore. I hate this. This is the worst party I've ever been to, ever. Good morning. Today is the first actual day of TwitchCon, baby. So yesterday was the partner party, and let me tell you, it was awesome. I met Sid, the Gemini bean, who I didn't know before. West Coast Cowgirl, I think is her name. Harley. Soph. Allison, and Mellow Teddy, dude. How cool is that? Actually, I met a whole bunch of people. I'm still like so tired right now. Like I could fall back asleep right now, but I won't, because we got a convention to go to, baby. And we got to ask the most important person on this journey how excited they are. Crustle, are you excited for TwitchCon day one? Oh yeah. He's more excited than I am.
You're so weird.
Hello, kitty. Oh my God. Not a whole ton of like me talking in there, but it's super cool meeting some friends. There were so many things I spent money on today. Good God. The TwitchCon party happens in about an hour. I don't know that I'll be there exactly when it starts, but got a couple friends to meet up with there. I think it's still gonna be a lot of fun. It's been a long day, but just heading back to the hotel to chill for a bit before we head out again. So I will see you then. Keeping the doctors away.
No.
Hello everyone, it is Saturday, day 2 of TwitchCon, and I'm pacing around my hotel because I've come to an incredible realization about something. Today is the last day of my 20s. I turn 30 tomorrow. My 20s will not be missed. My 20s kind of sucked. Actually, this sucked a lot, specifically the second half. There were very positive things and exciting things, more in the first half, but my life kind of came crashing down in 22 when I decided to drop out of college and give up on everything I had been working for. And I kind of lost everything through that. It's made a lot of bad choices that formed me into the person that I am today, actually. I think today's gonna be a good day. I'm excited to put my 20s behind me and just have some baller fun with all the homies today at a con and meet some new people, do some cool things, make some amazing memories. But really, I remember when I started my 20s and now I'm almost out. And nothing that I'm doing right now, none of the people that are in my life, none of the things I've accomplished, and none of the things that get me out of bed every day or anything I thought I was going to be doing. And I am so happy because I would not have my life be any other way. I'm very grateful, even for all the things that hurt. and even for all the things that sucked. I'm grateful for all those things too. But without those things having happened to me, and without me feeling so lost and at the bottom of the barrel, I wouldn't have learned how much strength I have to climb back out, but also all the strength I had to flourish. Who knows, maybe sometime down the line someone will see this and I'll give them a little hope for whatever they're going through. All right, last day of the 20s, let's go, baby. Let's see what Crussell thinks. Crussell, how we feel? Your papa's about to turn 30 tomorrow. Wow. He said he's an inanimate object that doesn't have any concept of time and literally doesn't care. What a bitch. Let's get out of here. Wonder how long it's gonna take for my legs to absolutely ache today. We'll see. I'm gonna have the strongest legs ever after this whole thing. Good God.
Animal Crossing.
Hey, yo. Here we are, Jen, for my first Korean barbecue. Hi there. Are you able to take walk-ins for two? Oh, baby. The recommended dish was brisket. I'm supposed to put it in this like sauce. But here we go, me and my clumsy chopsticks. All right, is that all there's to it? I want 10 more plates of that. God damn. And now I'm gonna eat this bomb-ass sushi called Japanese lasagna.
I'm talking over this segment in the video so YouTube stops copyright claiming me for the 10 seconds of music playing in the background.
Damn! Japanese lasagna, good, bro. I have to go see what's in it. I just thought it was a funny name, so that's why I ordered it. Really? Yeah. Oh, bro. Ooh. All right, man. Yo, this makes me feel dirty, bro. What the?
Dansky. There we go. And there he goes.
Well, the morning has finally arrived. I am 30. It's not even 8 o'clock, and I'm meeting Hannah for some pancakes, baby. Yep. How are you?
Good.
Yes. The pancakes are here. This is like the best thing in the world.
I know. I'm so excited.
Well, breakfast with Hannah VT was awesome. Those pancakes were delicious. Thanks, Hannah. And now we are headed into the final day of TwitchCon. Gonna try and do a live stream from the streamer station, and we're gonna see how it goes. Why am I so yellow? What the? What is going on, everybody? Oh, look at all the homies.
Oh, y'all are gonna make me cry. Oh, guys, I'm in front of people. What are you doing? I'm so glad that I could say hi to you guys. Not to get emotional, but I'm just so lucky every day to get you guys. It's like the best gift ever. I hate to say today doesn't feel like any different, but I just can't believe like what a shit place I was in just like 5 years ago. I just like if you showed me like what I'm doing like right now, this is just like this is just like it's just the best gift I could have like ever asked for. Literally the only thing that I want to say to you guys is like, you know, you're always just gonna have a place, you know what I'm saying? You're always gonna have a way here to kind of just hang, to do y'all thing. If you guys can say hello TwitchCon, so glad that we could do this. I can't imagine my TwitchCon without having done this. Before I head out, like what I always say, in case you haven't heard it, I love you. You're amazing. The world will not be the same without you. Everything's gonna be okay. Everybody deserves someone like you in their life. I will catch you guys on the flip side when we get back. I gotta get out of here. They're kicking me out. Okay, bye everybody. See you later. Bye. Goodbye everybody. Bye. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Well, it is October 23rd, the day after my birthday. And it is time to go home from TwitchCon. See you later, Las Vegas. See you later, TwitchCon. I'm also super tired, so who knows what I'll throw in here. Okay, I'll see you at the airport. Bye.